Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Halara haul. Y'all know I love Halara, and you also know that I love to share new pieces with you, and I found some really great ones. So I'm super excited to dive in. Thank you so much to Halara for sending these to me, letting me pick them out, and letting me share them with all of you. If you are interested in trying anything from Halara, I will have all of these pieces linked down below, and I will also link all of my previous Halara hauls up in the cards above, so you can go ahead and check those out too. I will have some codes down below so you can save yourself some money. I believe my current code is LED15, so you can save yourself 15% off, but they have tons of amazing sales going on right now, so definitely check them out and see what you can take advantage of, especially as we get closer to Black Friday. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into these pieces. So first, let's start off with what I'm wearing. So this top is a bodysuit, and I love it. First, can we talk about this color? I mean, it's so pretty and flattering. I love this like sage green color, and this material is so soft and cozy and breathable. This is a thong bodysuit that buttons, so it snaps in. You can wear it untucked if you want to and just wear it as a regular shirt tucked in, or you can wear it as a bodysuit, totally up to you. The sleeves are the perfect length where they have just a little bit of slouch and give. I really like this material, and I feel like it's very flattering. It's not see-through, which I really appreciate, and it isn't too tight to where it shows every nook and cranny that you have, but it still gives you a little bit of that fitted look. So I really like this. I paired it with these pants that I've been wearing a ton, and they have so much dog hair on them because as soon as I took them out of the dryer, Kona just sat right on top of them. So there's so much dog hair. But I even tried to lint roll it. How crazy is that? She just continues to sit on these. But they are kind of a like velvety material, but a little bit softer, and they're ribbed and they are so comfortable. They have basically this like hidden hem, so they have elastic and they're super stretchy and cozy. They do have zippers on the side so that you can get in and out of them really easily, but I found I can just pull them up and they fit me totally fine. They're a great length to where you can wear them with booties or you can wear them with sneakers or heels, and they make my legs look so long. The ribbed detail makes my legs look extra long, and then that flare makes them look slim and long. So I just love how they fit. They're the perfect thickness to where they're not too warm and not too thin, but they still feel like they're gonna give me enough warmth as we get into colder months. And I really like these. So these are a huge win for me, and like I said, I've been wearing them a ton. I also paired this top with these pants, which I wouldn't wear together, but the color combo is pretty fun. I have been in the process of losing some weight, so I did order a large in all of these things, but some of them are just a little bit too big for me, and these are kind of one of them, but I'm okay with it because I love a cozy, baggy pant. These are a V-waist jogger, and they're kind of this like quilted, that's not the word, waffle. They're a waffled material, and they're this beautiful like dark wine color. They are a jogger, so they cinch down at the bottom and they're perfect baggy. They're kind of like a better MC Hammer pant, which I am totally here for. These are nice and thin and breathable, so they're perfect for the colder weather, being inside the house and being all wrapped up and cozy, or wearing to like a yoga class. I really like these, and I want them in some more colors. Next up, we have these pants, and these are a trouser legging hybrid, and they are amazing. Halara really knows what they're doing when it comes to these. I actually feel like they were probably the ones that really revolutionized this idea and really brought it to the mainstream market, and for good reason. They do a great job. So these are just a traditional black trouser. They're super flattering. They do have real belt loops and real pockets here, faux pockets in the back, and then a faux fly. There it is. They are kind of a straight leg, so they're very flattering, and they're in between like a wide leg and a straight cut, and they're just super flattering. They're very comfortable. And again, since they're that legging hybrid, they're very stretchy. So if you work in an office, these are great. But if you don't, these are a great kind of casual trouser to kind of dress up with a graphic t-shirt, denim jacket, or maybe like a fun plaid blazer and a sweater would be super cute with this. Big fan. I paired it with this sweater, which I love, and I just wish I had sized down because it's just a little bit on the big side for me, but I am still gonna wear it because I think it's gorgeous. This is a boat neck sweater, and it's super flattering. It's this gorgeous green color, and it's a super thick and heavy sweater material that's so soft and cozy. This fits so beautifully. It's just a little bit big. If I had sized down to a medium, this would have fit me perfectly. So definitely get true to size on this one. They have a raw edge hem here, so it doesn't feel constricting or anything. It just seamlessly blends into your skin, and it is so cozy. It's super warm and nice and soft, but the material doesn't overheat, so I don't feel like I'm putting this on and immediately dripping into sweat. So I really like it. And again, this green color is so pretty. Like this for Christmas with like a fun red bow in your hair and some fun red lipstick would be so cute. Next up, we have these amazing jeans, and these are what I'm going to deem convertible jeans, and hear me out because I know that sounds really weird. These go from being cuffed to then being full length jeans, and you can change them whenever you want. Love that. One of those things that I never knew I wanted, but now that I have it, I am completely obsessed. I love the wash of these. They're just a traditional medium wash denim, and they have the button down at the bottom and then this buttonhole, and you literally just fold it. There's one on each side. Super easy. Takes 2 to 3 seconds per leg. Boom. Cuff jean, super flattering. You could even cuff it again if you really wanted to, but I don't mind because the buttons are clear. You can't notice them at all, and I really like these. These are another one of those things that are too big for me. So unfortunately, I did order these and they're just too large, but I love them, so I will be getting them in a medium. They have a real button fly and real pockets in the front and in the back. So these are jeans, but stretchy and cozy and convertible. So big fan of these. And I paired that with this beautiful kind of mock neck, boat neck hybrid turtleneck, and it is so soft. Another one of those things that just is super cozy. Similar to this green sweater, it is that ribbed material, but this one is definitely thinner. I was impressed. It's on the sheer side, but for a white sweater, it's pretty good. So I probably would end up wearing like a pinker bra underneath, and then you wouldn't notice at all. I have kind of like a darker tan on, and so you could see it a little bit, but I was pleasantly surprised. So it is that very nice ribbed material, super soft, super stretchy, which I really like. And it has the raw edge hem on the bottom and on the sleeves, so it's not too bulky. I could have sized down into a medium for this, but I do feel like I like the large just so it's not too constricting. But I really like this. So great with the jeans, would be super cute with like a fun puffy vest, and great fall outfit. Lastly, for pants, we have these, and these are the softest, coziest, just most delicious trouser ever. These are like a fleece lined, almost like a sweatpant material. They're so cozy, and this brown color is like teddy bear brown. I love it. The inside is so soft and so cozy. So this is great if you work in a cold office, or maybe if you're working at like a convention or something outside where you need to be warm but still professional. These are awesome. I have just been wearing them with a t-shirt and this cardigan that I'll show you in a second, and I just really like them. They are stretchy in the back, and then they do have a real button fly and zip, real pockets in the front, and then no pockets in the back. I really like these. Length on them is perfect, and they are kind of a mixture between that straight leg and a little bit of a flare, but just enough to where your heels or your shoes aren't getting caught. So I really like these. I paired those with this beautiful shirt. Look how gorgeous this color is. I mean, seriously, so pretty. This is a square neck bodysuit. Again, it is a thong bodysuit and you can clip it or you can just tuck it in, not worry about it. This is a ribbed material that's even thinner than that white sweater, but so cozy. It's the perfect mixture of like a warmer weather item, but still nice and breathable. So I'll probably wear this all the way through the spring, and this color is just unbeatable. It's so nice, and you can tell it just like falls beautifully. So I really like this one, and I think this blue and teddy bear brown is such a beautiful combo. And then I mentioned this cardigan. This is great. I would say this is like almost a coatigan level of cardigan. It's definitely on the thicker side and it's super cozy. If you work in an office, this is like the best thing that you could get. It has a hood, so it is nice for being up here in Seattle again to keep my head dry in the rain, and it does have pockets. The only thing that I don't love about this is that the pockets tend to go towards the front, so you can see them, which I just don't really like. Explaining it's difficult, so you can see it here in the clip a little bit better, but I do wish they had just sewn them so that they fell a little bit differently, or like stitched one stitch so that they stayed in place. So I might do that just so I can fix that issue, but everything else about this is perfect. So it has a beautiful like ribbed detail along the pockets, along the front, and then on the sleeves, and it's so cozy. It is a great length, and I love the weight of it. It is almost like a little bit of like a weighted blanket, so it's super cozy, and I just really like this. So been wearing this a ton, and I'm obsessed with it. That is everything in this haul. Let me know what you think down below and what your favorite piece was. Everything will be linked and listed down below with the color and size information so that you can go ahead and shop them. And I will have my code so you can save yourself some money too. But again, check out the Black Friday deals because they have some really great stuff going on. And thank you so much to Halara for sending me these pieces. I really appreciate working with you guys, and I love all of the stuff that I have. I wear Halara clothes pretty much every single day and I love them so much. So thank you so much for letting me share some amazing pieces with all of you, and thank you for coming and hanging out with me. As always, I really appreciate you being here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe so I can see you in the next video. If you do, I will see you then, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!